Look, 99% of guys out in the woods right now think throwing $3,000 at a Magnum caliber will fix their bad shooting habits. And it costs them a freezer full of meat every single season. Let's be real here for a second. You do not need a punishing shoulder cannon to drop big game. What you need is a surgically precise .308 Winchester built with aerospace precision. Stop buying overhyped safe queens just because some sponsored hunter on the internet told you to. I am tearing down the top 5 premier .308 bolt action platforms of 2026. I am bypassing the marketing garbage and giving you the unfiltered truth about what actually performs downrange. Starting off at number 5 is the Glenfield Model A. Honestly, the concept of a budget hunting rifle used to mean you were buying a sloppy piece of junk with minute of softball accuracy. But the game has completely changed for 2026. Ruger resurrected this classic brand to fill a massive void at the bottom of the market, and they actually pulled it off. This rig tips the scales at an easy-to-carry 6.3 pounds and feeds .308 Winchester like an absolute champion. Looking under the hood, the standout feature here is the 20-inch cold hammer forged barrel. Most cheap guns use basic button rifling that leaves microscopic stress in the steel, causing your groups to walk when the barrel gets hot. Cold hammer forging violently pounds the steel around a mandrel, creating a massively dense and perfectly smooth bore that delivers dime-splitting consistency shot after shot. That kind of metallurgical integrity on an entry-level gun is almost unheard of. Out on the range, the 4-pound adjustable trigger is surprisingly crisp. It snaps like a fragile icicle. No gritty creep, just a clean break every time. The moss green splatter synthetic stock runs a patented power bedding system with molded stainless steel V-blocks to keep that barrel completely free-floated. But here is the truth. It fails in the brush. The safety mechanism does not physically lock the bolt shut. If you are pushing through heavy timber, it is way too easy to snag that bolt handle and accidentally dump a live round into the mud. That is a massive annoyance when you are stalking deep in the woods. This is a solid blue-collar tack driver that sets you back roughly $500. But wait until you see the absolute monster sitting at number 1. You will not believe the engineering they packed into it. Stepping up the game, we land on the Tikka T3X RoughTech Superlite for number 4. Now, the Finns know how to build a serious hunting machine, and this rig is an absolute workhorse that tips the scales at an incredibly light 5.88 pounds. It eats .308 Winchester for breakfast and spits it out with clinical cold bore accuracy. Built in the exact same factory as the elite Sako rifles, this platform gives you custom-level precision without completely draining your bank account. Let us pop the hood and talk about the action. Tikka utilizes a heavily fluted stainless steel bolt body. They do not just cut those grooves to look cool or save a few ounces of static mass. That fluting drastically decreases the physical bearing surface friction against the internal receiver walls. Less metal-on-metal contact means this bolt glides forward like oiled silk on Teflon, making it widely known as the absolute smoothest action you can buy in this price bracket. Rugged and heavily textured, the new stock is coated in a coarse, sandpaper-style finish that gives you locked-in traction even when your hands are covered in freezing mud or blood. Here is the deal breaker that drives traditional purists insane. Tikka uses one single, uniform long-action receiver length for absolutely every caliber they produce. Running a short, efficient cartridge in a massive, long-action receiver means you are carrying around unnecessary steel and pulling a bolt stroke that is longer than it needs to be. It is a mass production shortcut, plain and simple. Sound off below in the comments if you trust this finish rig in the backcountry, because a lot of mountain hunters swear their lives on it. The recoil from such a featherweight frame punches like a frustrated middleweight fighter, but the acoustic foam they shoved into the hollow stock deadens that cheap plastic thunk sound when you brush against trees. The damage to your wallet is roughly $1,100, giving you one hell of a bomb-proof tool for the deep timber. Entering the elite tier, we are looking at the Browning X-Bolt 2 at number 3. This rig slings 308 Winchester downrange out of a beautifully balanced 6.6-pound frame with a 4+1 capacity. Browning completely gutted their legacy design for 2026 to give the modern hunter a biomechanical advantage, explicitly offering the RoughTech polymer stock that adapts physically to the shooter. Let us break down the mechanical upgrade that actually matters out in the field. Under the hood, they heavily re-engineered the receiver raceways and kept that famous 60-degree bolt lift. A standard 90-degree throw runs the risk of you punching your own optic when you cycle fast under stress. The 60-degree fast throw gives you massive, unobstructed clearance for those modern, oversized ocular bells on your tactical scope, preventing you from scraping your knuckles bloody when you're running the gun hard. Listen, that new DLX trigger is a massive step up from the older models. It cracks like a frozen branch under a heavy boot right at 3 pounds from the factory floor. They also threw on an Inflex recoil pad that utilizes internal directional deflection fins. Instead of driving the comb up into your cheekbone, it physically pulls the stock down and away from your face, so the recoil just shoves like a heavy oak door instead of rattling your teeth. But here is the deal breaker that drives me absolutely crazy: the proprietary rotary detachable magazine. Proprietary mags will drain your wallet, and if you lose this flush-fit piece of plastic on a backcountry hunt, you cannot just borrow a standard magazine from your hunting buddy. Street price is roughly $1,100 to $1,400, depending on if you want the modular composite or classic walnut. But that magazine issue is a tough pill to swallow when you are miles away from civilization. Closer to the crown, we arrive at number 2. The Bergara Platinum Stalker. Honestly, this is for the guys who respect traditional lines but demand modern metallurgical perfection. It feeds on 308 Winchester and tips the scales right at 6.7 pounds. With a 5-round capacity and the classic hinged floor plate, it gives you that warm, organic aesthetic of wood while retaining absolute tactical grade function. Underneath the hood, the ignition sequence is driven by an elite TriggerTech primary trigger. Now, traditional triggers rely on metal sliding against metal, which means they get gritty the second dust or freezing condensation gets inside the action. Bergara threw that out and installed a free-floating roller system, eliminating sliding friction entirely to ensure the brake stays exactly the same no matter how bad the weather gets. It snaps like a dry carrot, completely free of any mush. Looking at the 20-inch stainless steel barrel, they utilized a heavy number 4.5 taper but milled deep flutes down the side. This gives you the rigid thermal mass of a heavy bull barrel to stop your shots from walking when it gets hot, but drastically increases the surface area for rapid cooling. Out on the range, the proprietary Omni muzzle brake vents the gas radially. It tames the blast so effectively that the kick just pushes like a stubborn linebacker, letting you stay right inside your optic to watch your terminal performance hit the target. Look, As gorgeous as that pepper laminate wood stock is, it brings a serious ergonomic deal breaker to the table. That raised Monte Carlo profile and heavier footprint feels like swinging a boat oar if you're trying to maneuver quickly inside a cramped, brushy hunting blind. It is incredibly stable off a rest, but it lacks the nimble speed of a modern skeletonized rig. This heirloom quality piece sets you back roughly $1,600 to $1,900. Finally, we reach the undisputed king of the mountain at number 1, the Wilson Combat NULA Model 20. Listen, it takes the throne because it gives you the insane sub-minute of angle precision of the Bergara at number 2, but it shaves off over a pound of dead weight to compete with the Tikka at number 4, all without sacrificing an ounce of structural integrity, tipping the scales right between 5.17 and 5.4 pounds. This absolute featherweight runs 308 Winchester flawlessly from a 4+1 capacity aluminum hinged floor plate. Looking deep inside the action, Wilson Combat ditched traditional mass production and utilizes an EDM machined receiver cut from premium 4140 bar stock. Electrical discharge machining uses microscopic electrical sparks to cut complex geometries into hardened steel, creating raceways that are dimensionally perfect. This matters out in the field because it entirely eliminates the binding or stuttering you normally get with tight tolerance. Lightweight actions when you run the bolt hard and fast under stress. They even coat the entire thing in an armor lube diamond-like carbon finish, so it glides fluidly without liquid lubricants, freezing up on you at high altitudes. Under the hood, that premium Timney Elite Hunter trigger is an absolute masterpiece of modern engineering. It breaks like a thin pane of winter glass right between 2.75 and 3.25 pounds, completely eliminating any shooter error before the firing pin even drops. You might think a 5-pound rifle chambered in a full power cartridge would snap your collarbone, but the custom AG Composites carbon fiber stock is mated to a thick Patchmare decelerator pad. Instead of a brutal kick, the recoil just shoves like a stiff crosswind, letting you stay perfectly on target. Up front, the meticulously button-rifled 416R stainless steel barrel is double stress relieved to ensure your groups do not walk open when the metal heats up. Expect to drop roughly $3,295 for this custom-grade rig. That is a serious financial investment for a hunting tool, but if you are an expeditionary hunter climbing vertical peaks where every single ounce matters, this is the finest piece of aerospace engineering you can carry. Look, that is the final word on the premier 308 Winchester platforms for 2026. Whether you are dropping $500 on the Glenfield or taking out a second mortgage for the Wilson Combat, your gear only matters if you actually know how to run it under pressure. The excuses end today. Get off the internet, buy some quality ammunition, and put in the work behind the trigger. Train hard, stay safe, and I will see you downrange.